This is my little Oreo giving birth, and she's sticking her tongue out. Broke water a minute ago. Probably 5 cats on the tummy, and she's pushing it all out in one go. This is a fast birther. Hello, darling. Hello. Size of stomach. Ooh, big, not small. Come on, pop it out. Jump, swim, do anything as long as it comes out. Jump. How do you feel, darling? This is my Oripole. Look at that. That's how a cat birth. Give birth. God. All the pleasure, no the pain. Mew. Mama. Wait. Maybe I need to move her. Mama. Is it coming out? Not darling. Mama. Mama. Mew. Forceps. Okay.